Hey girl, I got something to say. I know it's rude, but the dude over there, who I can say it, but he is super tacky. He needs a makeover.
Or do you?
Yeah, he needs Jesus. Especially that acting. I mean, seriously, he needs some practice. Seriously. I mean, let's do this. I know we got 6 of them in his honor, so 5, 4, 3. Let's get it.
OMG, what do he have? Oh, he's second!
His dress I did. Oh,
Comfy ratchet.
girl. I gotta take this picture.
Got it. Put this boy on your Twitter.
Thank you, girl.
Why he got the J's on? He ratchet with the Fruit of Loop drugs. He ratchet with the dirty work. He ratchet. His baby mama holding him strong. He ratchet. Girl, why this dude text me from my phone? He said he had no kids. I saw him with her at the park with her Santa twins.
So what else? Girl, what you do? I hope you said
Delete my number because he ratchet.
I'm too grown for this.
Girl. And he's still living with his mama.
So hold up. I think because you might be wrong because that dude is only 12 years old and we're 11, so technically he could live with his mom.
Still, he ratchet.